Want to know how to add an offline video player banner to your Twitch channel? I'm going to show you how. Let's go. Hey, it's me, it's Wild coming at you with another quick Twitch tip video, and today I'm going to show you how to put an offline video banner to your Twitch channel. Let's go over to the computer and let me show you how. To add an offline banner, all you need to do is log in under your Twitch account, go to the top right corner, and tick down the options and go under the settings tab. From here, it'll load to your profile settings, but just go to the top and click under channel and video. Right there at the top, it'll show you the video player banner. Now take into consideration when you load any of your images or your graphics to the offline video player, it needs to be for a full screen, which means it's 1920 by 1080 pixels, and it can be a JPEG, PNG, or a GIF. So make sure you load one of those. And if it's over 10 MB, you will have to bring down a little bit of it because the max file size is 10 megabytes. Now to view your new awesome graphic for your offline player, simply just go to your channel and it will populate there. Now if nothing shows or it's showing your old image, do not be alarmed. I've noticed in my personal experience that it can take a few moments and perhaps even a few hours or a day for it to cache and show up, so don't be alarmed. Now if you're looking for ideas on what to add to your offline profile banner right there, it's completely up to you, but usually the most two common things that you'll see will be your stream schedule that people will post there, so that way they know when to catch you next time, or you may want to consider putting all your different social media platforms. When you're offline, people still might find you and go to your channel, and the first thing that's going to pop up for them are all of those social media platforms that they can reach you on and contact you. So hey, it's a good kicker on getting a few more followers on your social media platform. Hey, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a nice thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if there's any more Twitch tip videos that you'd like me to do, or if there's anything I can help you out on any streaming platform, don't be afraid to leave a comment below. And thank you guys so much, and feel free to follow me on all of my social media platforms as well. Once again, my name is Wild, and I will see you all coming up real soon in the next stream support video. Take care all. Peace.